So the next problem is, sabi dito, it is observed that the time for the ball to strike the ground at B is 2.5 seconds. Determine the speed VA, which is the initial speed, and the angle A at which the ball was thrown. So given tayo ng gawin tayong height. So meron tayong initial height na 1.2 meters. Then yung final height niya is 0. So after 2.5 seconds, yung height niya is nasa ground na, which is 0 meter. So meron tayong delta y, which is gamitin natin yung formula na delta y is equal to vi sine multiply by time minus 0.5 by 9.81, then the time squared. So delta y natin is 1.0 minus 1.2 meter, which is negative the final minus the initial. So meron tayong 1.2. 0 minus 1.2, kahit huwag na natin ilagay 0, then is equal to VI, which is unknown. Sin theta is unknown then, so meron tayong VI, then the sine of theta multiplied by 2.5 seconds minus 0.5 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 2.5 squared. So, meron tayong, so ilipat natin to sa kabila. Then, ipag-add na natin sila. So, meron tayong negative 1.2 plus 0.5 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 2.5 squared. So, meron tayong 29.46 is equals to VI sin theta multiplied by 2.5. So, divide natin both sides by sine of theta multiplied by 2.5 sine of theta multiplied by 2.5. So, matitira sa atin is VI is equal to 11.784 divided by the sine theta. So, for the x direction naman tayo. So, given tayo ng 50 meters na final position ng ball. Then, the 0 initial position. So, meron tayong 50, which is the delta x 50 is equal to VI. Then, the cosine of the angle theta. Then, multiply by 2.5 seconds. So, yung part dito, which is yung acceleration natin sa x direction, is 0 lang. Kahit huwag na natin yung ilagay. Then, divide natin both sides by cosine theta multiply by 2.5 cosine of theta multiply by 2.5. So, meron tayong VI is equal to 50 divided by 2.5. Meron tayong 20 all over the cosine of theta. Then, equate natin tong dalawa para makuha natin yung angle theta. So, 20 all over the cosine cosine of theta is equal to 11.784 over the sine of theta. Then, cross multiply natin. So, meron tayong sine all over cosine theta, which is equal to tangent. Then, equal siya sa 11.784 divided by side. 20 pala, sorry. Then, kunin natin yung arctangent na ito. So, arctan tan 784 divided by 20. So, the angle is, so, shift tan, then 11.784 divided by 20. We have 30.51. Then, substitute natin to dito para makuha yung initial speed ng ball. So, the VI now is equal to 20 all over the cosine of 30.51. 32 guys, 30.51. So, VI, so 20 divided by cosine of 30.51, we have 23.21. 23.21 meter per second. So, in terms of meter tayo. So, ito na yung sagot sa question natin. That's it.